TikTok Shop affiliate by using AI. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can become a TikTok Shop affiliate and actually grow your business by using AI. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to make sure that you're signed up with TikTok Shop. Now, once you're signed in and everything, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to D-ID. Okay, now D-ID.com is one of the greatest AI creators out there, and what they're going to do is they're going to allow you to get different AI models. Basically, what it does is it gives you a natural user interface, just like this. And this user interface will do talking and gestures for you, and you can simply allow it to talk about the products that you're actually affiliating for. And what you can do is just use the AI agents that D-ID gives you, and you can find those AI agents right over here. So simply use these AI agents to showcase the products that you have got on your TikTok affiliate, and once you get those products, you're pretty much good to go from there. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is how you can become an affiliate on TikTok with AI. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.